Hi everyone, today we would like to demonstrate how you can set Opera as your default app for browsing on the Xiaomi Redmi 10A smartphone. So first of all, you gotta launch settings. In here, enter the dedicated apps category. At the apps page, go for the manage apps section. Then at the top right corner, you'll find this little 3 vertical dots that you want to tap on. Go for the default apps field, then open the browser. And in here, simply select Opera by tapping on it. That is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera app itself. So let me just go ahead and launch it. At the bottom right corner, you gotta tap on your avatar, then go for the settings by tapping on this little cog icon. Then scroll the page down for a little bit and click on the default browser section, click on next, select Opera and choose to set it as default option. And just like so, you have just witnessed the 2 ways of setting Opera as your default app for browsing on the Xiaomi Redmi 10A device. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.